Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 over x. So ito muna ang una natin gagawin. I-divide muna natin yung numerator sa denominator. So x squared over x plus 1 over x. Ayan. So x squared divided by x is equal to x. And ito ay magiging x raised to negative 1. So, ayan. So, kasi ito, di ba, positive 1 yan. So, kapag ilagay natin sa taas, magiging raised to negative 1. So, gagamit na tayo ngayon ng power rule for differentiation. So, ito, meron itong positive 1, di ba? Na exponent. Okay, so 1 times magiging 1 times yon x at i-minus natin sa 1, of course, ang exponent. Plus, okay, negative 1 yan. So, negative 1 times x raised to negative 1 at i-minus natin sa 1. So, 1 times x is equal to x. 1 minus 1, 0. And then, negative 1 times x is equal to negative x. Negative 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Okay, so ang ating derivative na nakuha, x raised to 0 is equal to 1 minus, so gawin nating positive yung negative 2. So, ilalagay lang natin yan sa denominator para maging positive. At may 1 sa numerator. So, therefore, the derivative of x squared plus 1 over x is equal to 1 minus 1 over x squared.